Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over remove item and void item. So those are two different things, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So here you'll notice that I already have a couple items rung up, and they're in black font. And if you notice here, the send button is gray, kind of grayed out. So the black font actually means that the item's already been sent to the order devices and saved as an open ticket. They also show black if you pay for it or if you print the guest check. It'll also send and save, for example. So let's go to the menu here and let's start ringing in items. And if you notice that those items I'm adding, they show up in blue instead of black. And that's because I'm just adding these onto the ticket now and they haven't been saved yet. So if I made a mistake here and didn't mean to press Sprite, I would select Sprite and I would get the option to remove item. And I can do this on the blue ones because they haven't been saved or sent yet. So I would just hit the remove item button and watch the Sprite. Once you hit confirm, it completely removes it from the ticket. So that's kind of like an error correct. And so it'll just remove that. Now if I wanted to remove the burrito, which has already been sent or saved, now I don't have the option to remove the item. I have an option to void the item. So if I select void item, I have to put in a reason. So let's just say it was a kitchen mistake. I'm not going to type it all, but I'm going to put mistake and hit void. Now if you notice, it doesn't remove burrito, it just puts a line through it because that's the way the system tracks voids or shows that voids happened. Now both of these remove items and void items, they may or may not require manager approval. That just depends on your establishment. So if it does, you'll have to get a manager to approve it. But that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.
Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.